Do you have unwanted items you'd like to donate or just want to go, but not looking for the hassle of dropping them off somewhere? Fortunately for you, there's an exciting new app called Simply Free. Simply Free is an app where users can post unwanted items that they would otherwise donate or dispose of to be claimed by other users in their area. To do so, users simply log into the app using an email address, Facebook, or Google information. Users begin by creating their profile with basic information, including name, address, email address, and contact number. Once a user is logged in and signed up, they can begin to post or search for free items near them. When posting or looking for an item, users will see a brief description of the item that includes photo of the item, description, condition of the item, and what category the item fits into. Users can also message via the app, as well as post rating and reviews of other users they've dealt with. Gone are the days of unwanted clutter. Now you can save time from having to donate the items yourself. Simply post and allow other users to pick up your unwanted items. What are you waiting for? Download the Simply Free app today.